Well, it looks like WSJT-X has released a new candidate release. And these are for beta testers. And I like to run these because they're kind of fun. You get to see some of the newer stuff. So on my POTA laptop, the Evolve 3, we're going to put Windows 64. According to their installation instructions, you do not have to remove any of the previous installations. So let's see if this is going to download. It looks like I have never downloaded this one before. You can go look through some of, see, 2.61 was the last one that I downloaded, and that was almost a year ago. So we're going to hit save. Right here, I'm going to go to the settings and make sure that it is unblocked since it's in the downloads folder. That's a Windows safety situation. This is probably why it did not run. So we will we will right click on this bad boy and run as administrator. That's what we want to see. Does anybody ever read this stuff? Okay, they're not trying to take over the world. Do create a desktop item. Look at me go, look at me go, look at me go, look at me go, look at me go. Supposedly there's some updates to ham library. We'll see how that works. Now it's going to give me some heck here in just a minute because I don't have anything connected to the laptop right now. So we have this rolling and we have this rolling, and I have an antenna set up across the living room. That's the MFJ 1898. And we're getting some FT4, it seems like. Might be FT8. Seems like we're getting some FT8 rolling in. But I'm not decoding anything yet, so that's interesting. So we got to go over here and probably look. Yep, we don't have the sound card set up yet. So let's go to settings. We'll continue watching R1CBU. And let's go to audio. We have mic X6100. Yes. Speakers X6100. Yes. And let's click go. And now it appears we do have some noise, so that's good. So we're gonna hit, is it shift? I can't remember. Let's find us a good spot to dump something. Okay, so let's call CQ. Uh-oh, got the wrong call sign in there. This was last used with the club, I bet. Let's make sure we put my call sign in there. General. W1RCP. Echo Mic 81. I think everything else looks good. I like to double click. Maybe that is still there. So let's call CQ. I think there's some spots hotter than the 123 because that right there. We just moved our rig. I just moved my transmit by accident. Whoops. So we got us a taker. I was about to hit halt text too. Yeah, 124. I still think there's a spot hotter than that, but this thing takes the average over the distance. So if you're an inch away, hey, we made another contact though. See if we get a 73 out of them. Yep, woohoo! There we go. Here are the takeaways. Charging and transmitting at the same time does make it hot. Nothing spectacular in the beta of WSJT-X. I sure do like me some R1CBU. And please consider subscribing to my channel. But other than that, have a great one, and 73 from W1RCP. We'll see you again in another video where I'm tinkering around the shack. Goodbye.